beta, how are you all? Here you can see that ma'am has written picture description 1. It is in English 1, okay, and the picture is in about a railway station. You know that now ma'am has told you that in this examination in English 1, 2 picture description will be there, okay. You need to prepare both of them. I'll give only one picture description to write to you, okay, for writing, no doubt, for writing to you in the examination, ठीक है. 2 होंगे, 2 मैं भेजने वाली हूँ, दोनों के दोनों आपको प्रिपेयर करने हैं, एंड फ्रॉम दैट 1 विल बी आस्क्ड इन द एग्जामिनेशन, एंड वॉट एवर हैज़ बीन आस्क्ड टू यू, यू हैव टू राइट द सेम थिंग, ठीक है. चलो, जो भी आपको पूछा होगा वो आपको लिखना है. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व अ पिक्चर डिस्क्रिप्शन 1, दैट इज अ रेलवे स्टेशन. यू नो दैट हियर यू हैव टू राइट द sentences by looking into the picture. You can see that a railway station's picture is there, okay. Whatever things you are noticing over here, you can write it in the sentences, okay. I have brought you the 7 sentences which I am going to write one by one. तो first sentence क्या होना चाहिए in the picture? If a picture description is there, every time the first sentence should be of the description of the picture. Now what is this picture? So you can say that ma'am, there is a picture of a railway station. The first slide will be the same, that is, first is, this is a picture of a railway station, okay. This will be the first line every time. हर बार यही उसकी first line होनी चाहिए, okay. That this is a railway station picture, or this is a picture of a railway station, okay. Every time you need to careful that, okay. First line should be this is a picture of a whatever picture it is. Now we are moving towards the second line, okay. So I am giving second number. Now you know that railway station is a very busy place because trains are coming and going every time. The passengers are waiting for their trains, है ना. तो हर बार बहुत ज़्यादा भीड़ होती है रेलवे स्टेशन पे, no doubt. Nowadays at corona, because of that corona, many trains are not, we can say that, coming and going or working, है ना. But still we can say that railway station is such a busy place. रेलवे स्टेशन होता है ना बेटा, बहुत बिजी होता है, उसमें बहुत भीड़ होती है, ठीक है. सो आवर सेकेंड लाइन विल बी a railway station is such a busy place, okay. So I am writing here A should be capital because we are starting the sentence. A railway स्टेशन, देखो रेलवे स्टेशन स्पेलिंग हैज़ बिन ऑलरेडी बिन गिवन, हाँ, उसका दिया हुआ ही है. सो यू डोंट नीड टू रिमेंबर, यू हैव टू कॉपी इट ओनली. अ रेलवे स्टेशन इज such a busy place or very busy place, both are the correct sentences, okay. So I'll be writing a railway station is such a busy place, 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 and full stop will be there, okay. Every time at the end of the sentence you need to give the full stop. Don't forget to give it, otherwise I will cut the marks, okay. Now we are moving towards the third question, that is, you can say that, okay, so what is a railway station बेटा? रेलवे स्टेशन क्या होता है? तो आप बोलोगे मैम, रेलवे स्टेशन जो होता है ना, वहाँ पे ट्रेन्स आके रुक जाती है. सो येस, इन द पिक्चर ऑल्सो यू कैन सी दैट, एज वी कैन नॉट सी द वीडियो फॉर द सेम. तो हमको तो ऐसे ही लग रहा है ना दैट द ट्रेन स्टॉप्स एट द रेलवे स्टेशन और नियर द प्लेटफॉर्म. सो वी आर गोइंग टू राइट द थर्ड सेंटेंस लाइक इट्स अ प्लेस वेयर ट्रेन्स स्टॉप. ये कौन सी जगह होती है बेटा? रेलवे स्टेशन कौन सी जगह होती है जहाँ पे ट्रेन्स आके रुकती है? बसेस तो नहीं आती ना, हाँ, ट्रेन्स ही आती है, ओके. सो दैट इज वाई विल बी राइटिंग द थर्ड सेंटेंस लाइक इट इज अ प्लेस वेयर ट्रेन्स स्टॉप, ओके. chalo, and full stop will be there. Now we are going to discuss about the picture. So you can see that in the picture that many people are there, or you can count it like 5 people only, but we'll be not writing like that, like only 5 people are there, 1 2 3 4 5 ऐसे हम नहीं लिखेंगे. हम क्या लिखेंगे, बिकॉज देखो यहाँ पे छोटा छोटा हुआ कुछ दिया हुआ ही भी है, और वैसे भी प्लेटफॉर्म पे तो बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं, तो विल अज्यूम दैट मेनी पीपल आर देयर इन द पिक्चर. तो व्हाट विल राइटिंग मेनी पीपल. नाउ whatever people will be there on the platform, they'll be called passengers. Yes, because they travel by train. वो travel कर रहे होते हैं ना ट्रेन से. Yes, so they are the passengers only. So we'll write only we'll name them as passengers. Okay, so many passengers are there with their luggage. You can see that luggage is there. उनका सामान है ना उनके साथ में. Yes, so with their luggage, and what they are doing beta, and at what they are standing. So you know that a stage or a place on which the passengers can wait for their trains are called platform. ठीक है, जहाँ पे ट्रेन आके रुकती है ना उसको क्या बोलते हैं, प्लेटफॉर्म बोलते हैं. Even that passengers are standing on to platforms for and they can wait for their train. So this is called a platform. So we are going to use these word also because it is also describing the railway station. So let us write it. Many passengers, fourth number, M should be capital. Many passengers, बेटा passengers का स्पेलिंग अच्छे से लिखना, PASSENGERS. Many passengers are there. You can see them, are there, THERE there, with their, यहाँ पे THEIR there, with their मतलब उनका. ठीक है, with their luggage, LUGGAGE. This is the spelling of luggage. With their luggage on the platform. ठीक है. And what is the spelling of platform? PLAT, plat, and FORM, form. Okay, many passengers are there with their luggage on the platform. Platform पे बहुत सारे लोग हैं और वो कैसे खड़े हुए हैं, उनके सामान के साथ, उनके लगेज के साथ. Okay, चलो. Now 5 number is, okay, now what you can see on the picture बेटा, देखो many things are there in the picture. Now people हो गया, trains हो गया, platform हो गया. Now here one thing is there. Yes, a big clock is there. Yes, आपको पता है ना that many, like in every platform you'll find one big clock over the platform. And for what purpose the clock is there? The clock is there so that the passengers can get to know what time is it, and they can update themselves to see the train timings also. अपने train का timing हुआ है नहीं हुआ है, for that also a big clock will be there over the platform. Okay, so we'll be writing the same here also. देखो clock is there, बड़ी सी clock है ना. ये देखो, we cannot call it a watch. हम उसको watch नहीं बोल सकते because watch we used to wear on the wrist only. हमारे जो wrist, हमारी जो कलाई होती है ना उसके ऊपर जो पहनते हैं बेटा, उसको watch बोलते हैं. लेकिन जो वॉल के ऊपर टिंगाते हैं, ऐसे कोई टिंगा हुआ होता है, that is called clock only. So that is the difference between clock and a watch. Okay, so here it is, देखो hanging only, लटक रही है ना ऐसे. Yes, so we'll be writing a big clock is hanging over the platform. किसके ऊपर है वो, प्लेटफॉर्म के ऊपर. तो we'll writing A should be capital. A big clock, CLOCK, a big clock is hanging, HANGING, hanging over the platform, PLATFORM, platform. Okay, चलो number 6. Now what the people are doing बेटा, ये लोग जो खड़े हैं वो क्या कर रहे हैं? Yes, they are waiting for their trains. वो अपनी trains का राह देख रहे हैं. तो the people are waiting for their trains to come. Whatever trains will be coming, they are waiting for their trains only. So you can write it as the people are, PEOPLE, the people are waiting, WAITING, waiting for their, THEIR there, हाँ, THEIR मतलब उनकी ट्रेन, their trains. ठीक है, टू कम मीन्स वो आने की राह देख रहे हैं अपनी ट्रेन की, टू कम. ओके, नाउ द लास्ट सेंटेंस विल बी आई लाइक टू ट्रैवल बाय द ट्रेन्स. मुझे ट्रेन से ट्रैवल करना अच्छा लगता है. दैट विल बी अवर एंडिंग लाइन, दैट आई लाइक टू travel by trains. Okay, and full stop will be there. So this can be the ending line. No doubt it is not there in the picture, but you can write it by your own कि मुझे ट्रेन से ट्रैवल करना अच्छा लगता है. Okay, so here देखो, you can see that 7 sentences are there. Okay, in the examination you need to write any 5 sentences. Okay, but you have to prepare 7 and all, because देखो 5 mark का picture description होगा. अगर उसमें से अगर आपका एक आध sentence गलत हो गया, but if you have written the next one and if your next sentence got corrected, then you are going to get the full mark. So it is advisable to prepare all of them, that is all 7 सेंटेंसेस. ओके, ताकि एक अगर गलत भी हो जाए तो दूसरा अगर सही हो जाए तो उसके मार्क्स मिल जाए. ओके, चलो, सो नाउ ओनली 7 sentences आर देयर इन अवर पिक्चर डिस्क्रिप्शन 1. सून आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर द वीडियो ऑफ दिस. ठीक है, चलो, टिल देन बाय बाय बेटा.